Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Auto Cars. The Ferrari 812 Superfast, introduced in 2017, has been a benchmark in the realm of front-engine V12 supercars. As of 2025, Ferrari has announced the discontinuation of the 812 Superfast, marking the end of an era for this iconic model. Performance and engine. At the heart of the 812 Superfast lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering a staggering 789 horsepower at 8,500 rpm and 530 lb-ft of torque at 7,000 rpm. This powerhouse propels the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.9 seconds, reaching a top speed of 211 miles per hour. The engine's design emphasizes immediate throttle response and a linear power curve, providing an exhilarating driving experience. Design and aerodynamics. The 812 Superfast's design pays homage to classic Ferrari aesthetics while incorporating modern aerodynamic enhancements. Features include full LED headlamps, air vents on the bonnet, and quad-circular tail lights. The body-colored rear diffuser and integrated rear spoiler not only enhance its aggressive stance but also improve downforce and reduce drag. Interior and technology. Inside, the 812 Superfast offers a driver-focused cockpit with a low and recumbent seating position. The dashboard features a dominant central analog tachometer flanked by dual digital displays. While the infotainment system includes navigation, Bluetooth, and Apple CarPlay connectivity, some users find it less intuitive compared to competitors. The use of premium materials and customizable options ensures a luxurious environment. Handling and dynamics. Equipped with advanced systems like electronic power steering (EPS) and the virtual short wheelbase 2.0 rear wheel steering, the 812 Superfast offers exceptional agility and responsiveness. The suspension setup provides a firm ride, reflecting its performance-oriented nature. While it excels on smooth surfaces and track environments, the ride can feel stiff over uneven roads. Legacy and conclusion. The Ferrari 812 Superfast stands as a testament to Ferrari's commitment to blending performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Its discontinuation in 2025 paves the way for new innovations, but the 812 Superfast's legacy as a naturally aspirated V12 masterpiece will continue to influence Ferrari's future endeavors. For a visual and detailed review of the Ferrari 812 Superfast, you might find this video insightful.